minds? Who aspires and who's the wannabes? Upon the shoulders of giants, I've got a long way to drop. Oh, I'll never get here on my own. See the view from the top.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel for a new mock civil video, today with the Eurocopter H145 ADAC. Today I bring you a project a little bit different from my usual. If you are one of my older followers, you probably know that I usually build mostly military. Yes, sometimes something civil, but it's very rare in this scale, usually smaller scales. And who knows, maybe in the future something else like this will arrive. Before starting with the review, will be very fast, don't worry, because it's a very small helicopter. The usual reminders, check the caption of the video, you can find a lot of useful links to get the instructions to build this one and my other designs, a website to get a third-party cheaper bricks to build them, and even a full set as soon as it's available. Not only that, but there are also some playlists divided by arguments, so you can find my other creations in a faster and hopefully easier way. Now we can start with the review. The design was more difficult than I initially thought. In fact, I needed new techniques for some areas of it that I'll probably add to my older helicopters too, and specifically here this sliding door. So let's check it. Of course can open, but we have two stoppers. This one near the door is needed to keep it always closed. It's optional, you can also do not use it, but if you keep it on, you are sure that the door will never move. So even if you want to play with the helicopter and shake it a lot, this one prevents the door sliding and open. It's not really needed, but it's something more. And if you don't want to use it, but you don't like the open stud here, you can do this, rotate this one this way and add the stopper. This way is hidden, looks cool. We like it, so I think the problem is solved. The other stopper you can see here, this one should not be removed. This one prevents the door to sliding off, because this one can slide like this. We have it to keep it in position. Then we have here on the top the rotor that of course can rotate, but not only that, we have a little ball joint that help us changing also a little bit the inclination, so you can also move it a little bit. That I think it's a pretty cool feature that I'm trying to add to all my helicopters, because it's a main feature of the real helicopters. If we move here to the back, we have the back rotor that also is quite cool. This one can of course rotate as well. And one last but very important feature, here the back can open, because this one is used for rescues and we need the back doors to easily go inside, maybe with injured people and similar. So you can open the rear and check the inside also from here. And one last feature, it's here. You can see we have some extra parts. These are two little cranes used by the crew. I think you have seen them many times on many kind of helicopters. And these two 1x1 tiles are covers for the part we have to remove if you want to use the cranes. Now we have two of them. You can decide to add both of them, only one. That's up to you. In this case, I'll show you just one, we don't need to remove both. And what we need now is to remove this part here, add the cover. You can see it better from here maybe. So we add this little cover and then we can add this little crane here like this. I think it's pretty cool, pretty small, pretty nice. The helicopter is very small, so everything is compact and cute, maybe? I don't know. Here we have everything closed, here everything open and a little crane, and that's it. The video is already finished. I don't have anything else to show you. As I told you, it's a very small helicopter, not so many features, but yet I think it's pretty nice. The design again was quite challenging for me, and I'm pretty satisfied of the result. I hope you think the same, and if yes, remember to leave a thumbs up. You help me and my channel, so it's really appreciated. Remember also to leave me a comment and let me know what you think about this civil helicopter or civil thing in general. Maybe in the future I can bring more civil machines if you like the idea. So let me know your opinion about it, and as usual, see you again next time with a new project. Bye!